Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, welcome back again. My name is Lutfi Nabila. Here I will explain you about silent letters. What are silent letters? Silent letters are an informal term for letters of the alphabet or combination of letters that are not usually pronounced in a word. As we know, pronunciation of a word in English is not an easy thing to do, especially if we compare it with our mother tongue, Indonesian. If the pronunciation of a word in Indonesian is easier to learn, there are several exceptions and things that are unique to English. Among them are silent letters. Examples of silent letters in English are the letters B in subtle, C in scissors, G in design, T in listen, and C in talk. Silent letters themselves can also be called dumb letters. The silent key. Key in English is a hard-sounding letters like ch or k, especially when placed at the end of a word. For example, like the word bag. However, when the letter key precedes the letter n at the beginning of a word, the letter key will be silent like the word now. Some examples of other words that have silent key in them are knock, knee, knack, knee, knowledge. So the silent C. Just like the letter K, the letter C is usually hard unless followed by an H. Chi will sound soft like cheese or cheers. However, if the letter C follows the letter S, the letter C will change to a silent letter. Words such as Michel and miscellaneous are some examples that can be taken. Other words that can be used as example are Asian, fascinate, fluorescent, decent, absent, sense. And the silent B. In B, usually this letter will be a silent letter at the end of the word after the letter M, like bomb, or before the letter T, like depth. However, this silent B will soften and lengthen the pronunciation of a word such as Tom, which is pronounced differently from Tom. Some other examples are Nam, plum, thumb, dub, sabdal. And the silent P. P will be a silent letter if it is followed by the letter S. Words starting with the letters P are usually words related to medical terms such as psychiatrist. However, there are also some times when the letter P starts a word, making it a silent letter. There are also several other words that have the letter P in the middle of the word, and this letter immediately becomes a silent letter. Some examples of words with the letter P which are silent letter are sage, psychological, recipe, raspberry, pneumonia. So the silent N. N not much different from the letter B. The letter N will become a silent letter when written at the end of a word, especially if the letter N follows the letter M. Some words with the silent letter N are condemn, solemn, column, dumb, autumn. And the silent T. The letter T as a silent letter is a little more confusing compared to other silent letters. The pronunciation of the letter T is one of the most familiar and powerful in the English language. The general rule for the letter T as a silent letter is that if there is a letter with stin, or still, it can be assumed that T is a silent letter. However, there are also several other words that have the silent letter T in them, such as report or belt. Examples of words with the silent letter T are often, whistle, listen, castle, soften, fasten. And the last, the silent G. The letter G will usually be a silent letter if it is followed by the letter N. Like the word Janet, it could be said that the letter G is not a completely silent letter because there are differences in the pronunciation of words such as the word sign, which would be pronounced differently if the letter G was not written. Some examples of words with the silent letter G are virgin, suffragan, genome, campaign, allege. Okay guys, enough. Until here I explain you about silent letter. I hope you understand, and if you found me some mistake in my video, I hope pardon me. Thank you for your attention. See you again guys. And the last, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.